Hello everyone, today we're going to do a new video and it's going to be my first video of me trying to create a video game. So, let's start. I thought a video game that would be easy to create would be a clicker game, so I decided to start doing that. So I'm just going to call it City Clicker. Maybe you could build a city in it, I don't know. Okay, here I am with an open Unity project and we're going to start with making the title screen. So let's name this as this. Okay. So first, what we have to do is change the background color. So here, let's just make it yellowish. Okay, pretty yellow, like that color. So that's what the screen looks like. Now we're gonna add some text. Make sure we can see that. Okay. Move it. This will be our title. So let's city. Okay, there we go. See how it looks in the city clicker. Probably get some fonts. See. Maybe you could change the color. There we go. I could see it better. Okay, now to create a button. We'll call it Start Button. Spelled start. Wrong. Okay, Start Button. And now inside of Start Button, we will put a cube. That's a news title. So there's the Start Button. I'm also gonna create a folder for materials. Spelled that right. Whatever. Create a material. We'll call it button 1, and we'll make it a nice blue. So the cube. Add that material onto it. We'll make it a little bigger. What about 3? Just trying to find the right size. Okay, that's a pretty good size, I think. Put it right under the title. Okay. Now we're going to create more text. Put in the Start button. And we'll call it Start. put it into the button, and we'll type start. Let's move that a little bit. See how it looks. Okay. I'm probably gonna make a font for that because the font doesn't look too good. I'll do that in the next episode. So now what we need to do is we need to create a game object called buttons. I'll put all our button objects under it. So now we need to make the settings because all games have settings, usually, like volume and easy, hard mode and stuff like that. So let's start by making this called settings. Inside of the settings object, we'll put a cube and some text. For the text, we're going to call settings. And for the cube, make it bigger. Okay, that's a good size. Now, we need to change this text to settings. Put it inside. It's a little big, so we'll make it a little small. We already make it small up here. Let's make it half the size. Actually, that's a little too small. Maybe like 7. Yeah, 7. Perfect. It's a little smooshed, but it's okay. Okay, last button is the how to play, because if you don't know how to play, that's not good because you can't play the game. So we're gonna make a how to play button. How to play button. Okay. Now we're gonna do the process again. Cube under how to play button and text under there. Call it instruction. I think I might have spelled it wrong. I don't know. Okay, let's change the size so it could fit into the button. Oh, it's a little small. Okay. Let's fix this. Put this down here. Okay. Text. Is it right inside? Oh, the text actually might be too big. So we'll call it 0.5. That's why we need the X to be 0.5. No, right. So that's our start menu. In the next episode, we'll code our start menu So it actually works. We'll make the start button, go to the start scene, make the settings button, go to the settings scene, make the instruction button, go to the instructions. So we'll do that all next time. See you guys later.